Now let us start a new topic, thrust and pressure. You have heard that camel can easily run in the desert area. You know that the foot of the camel is wider. You also know that truck and motor buses, okay, they have broader tire, so that it can weigh or it can load more. What is or why all these things happen? All these things happen, it is because of thrust and pressure. The first question may be arise in your mind that what is called thrust? Thrust is what? Force acting on the surface perpendicularly. That is called its thrust. Force acting on the surface perpendicularly. See, what do you mean by thrust? Force acting on the surface perpendicularly. Is called thrust. The unit of the thrust, though it is force, so unit is Newton. What do you mean by pressure? Pressure means what? Pressure means the ratio of thrust and area. Or you can say that net force acting per unit area. Thrust upon area. Thrust is what? Force. Force, net force acting per unit area. That is called pressure. So, pressure is net force acting on the object per unit area is called pressure. After the name of scientist Blaise Pascal, the unit is also called Pascal, PA. So pressure, that is equals to thrust upon area. Thrust, its unit is Newton. Area of the object is always measuring meter square or Newton meter raised to minus 2. Take this term upward. Newton per meter square is called Pascal, PA. Okay, this is pressure. You know that from this we can say that pressure P equals to thrust upon area or force upon area. Force upon area is the formula to find out pressure. So pressure is directly proportional to force and pressure is inversely proportional to area. It means what? If force increases, pressure increases. Direct means increase, decrease, decreases. Area increases, then pressure decreases. If area increases, foot of the camel is widened. If area increases, then pressure decreases. Okay, so it can run very fast in the sandy area. Okay, if the tire of the truck becomes widened or tank runs on this chain or the big and wide heavy chain, then area increases. If area increases, then pressure decreases. So on the inside the truck we can load many things. So it can weigh very easily. Okay, this is the fundamental of pressure, that is force upon area. Pressure in the fluids. You know that each and every object has mass. If each and every object has mass, then it has weight also, because mass multiplied by g, that is equals to weight. Okay, that you hold on, weight equals to W equals to mg. Now, if each and every object has mass, we can conclude that each and every object has weight, and so from this we can say that each and every object has pressure. But in the fluid, in the liquid, the body becomes lightweight. What is the reason behind it? It is because of buoyancy. What do you mean by buoyancy? Buoyancy depends on buoyant force. What is called buoyant force? Buoyant force is the net force acting from downward to upward in any liquid. The net force acting on the body from downward to upward direction is called buoyant force. Because of this buoyant force property is called buoyancy. Okay? Because of this property, buoyancy, or because of the buoyant force, an object can float into the water, or an object feels lightweighted in the water. Okay? This is because of buoyancy. You know that objects float or sink. It depends on what? It depends on surface of the water.